for the potential that this program has to introduce and expose more leaders of color to board service.
And I can say without a doubt that this program is a fantastic one to be a part of. Not only do you learn how to bring value to a potential board that you're looking to join, but you also learn what are the important factors, what to look for when inquiring about a non-for-profit board that you would like to be a part of.
Say my most powerful moment is really in the sessions, the different breakout sessions with the mentors and with the speakers. They were very knowledgeable. They shared a lot of wisdom, a lot of hands-on experience. I think the ability to share those stories with people that have already experienced working at a nonprofit, being on a nonprofit board, that was of value to me.
This program has certainly been one of the highlights of my career, as it afforded me the opportunity to explore the connection between my core values and the principles of nonprofit leadership, to expand my knowledge around the inner workings of nonprofit organizations and the key roles and responsibilities of board members, and of course, to grow my network in the Tampa Bay area.
The fellowship program has empowered me to listen differently, and the greatest benefit I receive is the opportunity to collaborate with current board members so I can receive a more realistic lens of the dedication and the time commitment to serving on the board.
My knowledge was increased on the roles and responsibilities of a board member and effective ways to make an organization successful. The best part of this for me was I was able to discover myself, the type of person, the type of board member I would want to be, and what ways I can contribute, be it time, talent, or treasure. Now, here's your chance to connect.
If you have an interest in learning more about nonprofit leadership as a participant, or a desire to pour into future leaders as a mentor, I encourage you to apply to this program and take advantage of the opportunity to cultivate your thinking, your toolkit, your network, and of course, your community.